Day 12. Today we're going to make a sleigh bell slider. They're awesome. You're going to love it. First thing we got is some Goldschläger. Either you love it or you hate it. Then it's got those flecks in there, those 24 karat gold flecks. It's the spice that bites. All right, so we're going to do equal portions of these ingredients. Next, I've got some 40 Creek cream liqueur. It's kind of like a Bailey's. It's a great little product. I like it. Equal portion. And we're going to top her up with a little bit of half and half cream. Just float that on top. Be nice and gentle. Yeah. Leave a little space at the top for your vanilla ice cream. Who doesn't like vanilla ice cream? Oh, yeah. This is the slider part. Ha! Beauty. And let's top it up with a little piece of dark chocolate. And if you want to, you could put a few little sprinkles on it. Oh yeah. Merry Christmas. Be happy, be safe, and please drink responsibly. I like chocolate. Chocolate likes me. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, support us and subscribe.